What's up, everybody? It's Taylor Soper with GeekWire. We're here at Lumen Field in Seattle, Washington, just a couple of hours before the Seahawks take on the Carolina Panthers. I showed up in my GeekWire sweater. I really need some Seahawks gear. I heard there's a store inside that uses Amazon's Just Walk Out technology, no cameras, RFID tags, a brand new implementation. Let's go test it out. All right, we made it. We're here at the Pro Shop outlet that uses Amazon's Just Walk Out technology. And you'll notice as you enter, there are no gates like you might find at some of the other stores that use the Cashierless technology from Amazon. Here you just walk in, you can browse around. There's jerseys, shirts, different kinds of merchandise. And then once you walk out is when the payment transaction actually happens. So let's go check it out. It is an outlet shop, so the selection here is not as large as you might find at another Pro Shop store, but there are some good deals in here. So each product here has its own RFID tag. And instead of the overhead cameras tracking what we're picking up, this tag is what's tracked as you walk out of the store, and that's how you're ultimately charged for what you take out. Ooh, this looks nice. Ooh, Russell Wilson. Sorry, Russ. Techno Thursday, that seems appropriate. All right, let's see how this thing fits. All right, feels good. Guess I just walk out now. So I've already done Amazon One, and so my palm is in Amazon system, so all I should really have to do is scan the palm. Thanks for shopping. Just walk out. Wow, that was pretty easy.
I got this. Yes.
That's cool.
Very cool.
And how was the experience walking through there? Obviously, it's a different retail experience for the consumer.
I have never done it before, but it was super simple. Yeah, I was thinking I was going to have to scan the tag, but just walked out.
It's amazing. So easy, fast, in and out. We went down to the Pro Shop, crowded, took forever. Like, there's lines to check out. I don't like lines.
All right, got the gear, gonna get some food. We're here at Tuta Bella, one of the new stores at Lumen Field that has the Just Walk Out technology. This time I'm just gonna use my credit card instead of my palm to get in. And there we go. So now we're in. The cameras above are tracking me as I'm moving about this store. Got some candy over there, pepperoni and cheese pizza. I think I'll do a pepperoni. So, you know, they do promote the no lines with no cashiers, but as you can see, there is still a line here. Went by pretty quick. Got the Bud Light, you just take it out?
Come on over.
All right, so do I just walk out?
No, I need to see your ID.
Okay.
And then if the ID is good, then you get to take it and go on your way.
Wonderful, okay. There's the ID.
Thank you. Okay, good deal. Thanks.
Okay.
Actually, let me double check here. So I'm looking at this. We're 2023. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, whew.
I'm like,
Scared me there.
I know.
We're on camera, we can't be.
You know, like that digit, 23 versus 24.
I know. I gotta get it renewed soon.
Okay,
All right, thank you. All right, woo, that was close. Just walk out, got the food and beer, got my gear. Gonna head in. Thanks for watching.